Composition Act, I said here, they have established the councils, right? So they are called as the quasi judicial bodies. So there are three quasi judicial bodies that has been established. So depending upon the value of the goods and or services and compensation, depending upon the validity, they have been classified into three. The first one, where any claim does not exceed, right, 20 lakhs, that is within 20 lakhs, 1 rupee to 20 lakhs, a complaint can be filed in the district forum, right? 1 rupee to 20 lakhs, you can file a complaint under the district forum. And the second one is where the value of the goods, services, and the compensation claim is exceeding more than 20 lakhs but doesn't exceed more than 50 lakhs. Then you will have to file a complaint in the state commission, that is the state forum. And the third one is where the value of the goods and the services or the compensation exceeds more than 50 lakhs to unlimited, then you will have to go and file a complaint in the national forum. So there are three forums, that is the state district forum, state forum, and the national forum, right? So now here we'll go to learn about the first one, district forum, right? So district forum is being established by the state government. Every district will have one forum. So if it is not necessary that only one, it can be two depending upon the number of population that a particular district has got. So it can be one, or maximum it can be only two district forum in every district, that is being established by the state government, right? So a complaint should be filed in the district forum within a limit in whose jurisdiction all the opposition party resides or carry on the business. Usually the opposition party resides in the is being taken place. You go and file a case there. Now, how to file a complaint? So, no court fees, no agent, nothing. So, take a piece of paper, the blank paper, write in your own handwriting as to what are the damages or what are the sufferings that is being caused to you by the manufacturers. In a piece of paper, draft a complaint, right? So how do you draft a complaint? So first the name, the description, and the address of the complainant, that is who's writing a complaint. Then next you will have to write the name, the description, and the address of the opposition party to whom you are making a complaint, right? Then the next is the facts relating to the complaint, where and how it arose. So what is the damage that you are being suffering? Then any documentation supporting, if you have, to your allegations, you will attach with your complaint. Then not only that, you have also a right to seek the relief, right, from the complainant. You can say that because of his product I have suffered damages, so therefore he is liable to pay me 1 lakh rupees. So you have a right to seek for the relief also, right? So this is how you draft a complaint. So you know how to file a complaint now. Take a paper, no court fees, no agent, nothing, write and post it. Where? To the address in your district, wherever the forum is being situated, right? So now we'll have to learn in these detail for the establishment of these district forum. As I told you, this is being established by the state government in each of the district, right? So composition of the district forum, that is who are all the persons who is consisting of the council, who are present in the council. First one is a person who is or is being qualified as a district judge shall be nominated by the state government, and he is the presiding officer. He is called as the president of the forum. So who is the president of a forum? A person who is a judge in the district, who is a district judge. So only such person is qualified to become the president of the forum, district forum. Second one is a person who is eminent in the field of education, trade, commerce, and law. That is the second person. And the third person is a lady social worker. So there are consisting of three persons. One is the president, second one is an eminent person, and the third one is the lady social worker. So all their appointments will be made by the state commission, that is by the state government on the recommendation of the selection committee. So this selection committee consists of the president and a person, a secretary, right? So president and the secretary, they give their recommendations to the state commission, and in turn the state commission will appoint the president, an eminent person, and a lady social worker. And their salaries and other allowances will be paid to them by the state government, right? And they hold office for 5 years, and they are not eligible for reappointment. Once their term of 5 years has been completed and they don't have a chance for applying for the same post and to be reappointed for the same post, right? So now here, so whatever is the value that is exceeding from 1 rupee to 20 lakhs, you will have to file in the district forum, right? So how you make a complaint now in the district forum? So what do you do? Immediately I said you can write a letter and post it, or what do you do? You can, whatever is there, you can write and take personally to the and present it in front of the president of the forum, right? So how do you press, how is the procedure now? So the first step what you do is you take a copy of the complaint, right? So submit it in front of the judge, that is the who is the president of the forum. This forum, after taking the copy, what he does is immediately within 30 days period of time, he will send the notices to the opposition party, because one, the opposition party always should be given a chance, right, in order to prove whether they are innocent or really guilty. So after within 30 days period of time, he should get a reply from the opposition party. So once the expiry of the 30 days takes place, a grace period of 15 days will be given. And after 15 days also, if the president doesn't receive a reply, then he has got every right to pass a judgment or an order against the opposition party. Clear? This is the procedure. And if the complaint is being made relating to any defect of the goods, right? Defect means, as I told you here, any imperfection, shortcomings, or fault in the quantity, quality, purity of the goods, that has to be maintained. So when you file a case, immediately what do? You will have to attach a sample if you have got. So that sample will be sent to the appropriate laboratory in order to check, right, about its perfection and imperfection. So if the sample is having some defect in it, then immediately what happened here? The judge has got a right to pass an order against the person who has produced the product with the shortcomings or with the deficiency. Clear with that? Then after then if he finds that there is a shortcoming and the allegations whatever is being made it are true, then immediately what the judge has got, he has got a right to pass an order. Maybe this order may be in terms of removing the defect of the product, or replacing the goods, or returning the price of the goods whatever the complainant has paid, right? Then if it is hazardous and dangerous, what happened? Allowing him to stop for the resale to any other customers. And not only that, here he will be allowed to pay compensation also, right? And he has to undergo the imprisonment also, depending upon the nature of damages that is being caused to the complainant. Clear with this? Then once an order is being passed, So always an opposition party has got a right of appeal. So a 30 days period of time will be given. Within 30 days period of time, he has got a right to make an appeal. Whom to make an appeal? A right to make an appeal to the state forum. So now here, how if our cases fails in the district court, we go to the high court. Even in a high court, if it fails, we move on to the Supreme Court carrying our appeal. The same procedure here. If you fail in the district court, then you can carry on your appeal to the state forum. Right? So clear with the first one? Yes or no? Whom to file a complaint?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
Others, what
ma'am.
happened? So is it clear? District forum, because it is a confirm answer. So you will have to write first, write about there are three forums where to file a complaint. So first heading, write district forum, and what are all the details I did. Who has got an authority to establish? It is the state government. Then the composition of the district forum, then how to file a complaint and how to appear, and what will be the decision and order, how it will be passed, and after passing of an order, so next is the procedure for an appeal. So when do you have a right to make an appeal? Then I said again the penalties, that depending the minimum penalty may be for amount 2000 to 10,000, and an imprisonment from 1 month to 3 years depending upon the nature of their injury that has been caused to the complainant. Right, so that all you'll have to write. Then second one, write number 2, and right here, right number 2, you write state commission, that is the state forum. Right, so again the same procedure with little differences in it. Once you are thorough with the state, so only you study whatever the differences are existing between these two forums. So you don't feel the procedure of filing a complaint, the procedure of passing an order, everything is same as that of the district forum, even in the state council, right? But you don't feel bored that I have to write repeatedly all these things, that is filing a complaint in a paper, writing the name of the opposition party, all that. You keep repeating. Only whatever is the differences I will tell you here. So first one, it is being established by the state government, I said, right? So now here each state council is being established by the central government, right? That is the first difference. And the second one is composition. I said 3%. First, a president, an eminent, and the third one, social worker. Here, who is there? He has to be a judge of the district court. Here in state forum, he has to be a judge of high court, right? He has to be a judge of high court. Then it'll have two other members apart from one, here two. So who has got an ability, integrity, and the knowledge, adequate knowledge and experience of all the laws, right? And who has a capacity of dealing all the things, right? So here also again these three persons, right? So this is being made. So there, how do they make? They make on the recommendation of the selection committee. So here also the selection committee is being established, the state selection committee. So based on the recommendation, they do that. And the same thing is, this is also for 5 years. So, and they also are not eligible for reappointment. Then the again here regarding the jurisdiction here, so about 20 lakhs and below 50 lakhs, there 1 rupee to 20 lakhs maximum. Here 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs is the maximum. All the other things the same thing as it is, to remove the defect, to replace, how to make a complaint, right? So then next, going on to the appeal part, so you can, the aggrieved party can make an appeal to the national forum within the period of 30 days, right? So again here the penalty will differ from 1 month to maximum, I said 2 years there. So here 1 month to maximum 3 years. The penalty remains the same, 2000 to 10,000. And here sometimes it may be both imprisonment as well as paying the penalty. So only whatever is the differences I told you, all the other things remains the same. So are you getting it? Or you want to explain me the same thing? How to file a complaint, all that. Right? No, no. Only whatever is the differences among them, I am telling. But you try to write, don't tell it is same as in the district forum, then you will get your marks will be cut short. So the lengthier your answer will be, the lengthier your marks are. The
Sure,
heavier
ma'am.
your marks will be. Okay. So at
Okay, ma'am.
least you'll have to write about 4 to 5 sites for this answer. They expect you to write so much. So you'll have to write under the headings, right? As I told you here, what are all the headings you will do? You will first write district commission, composition, right? Then territorial jurisdiction. Then you will have to write the procedure. Then you will have to write findings. Then appeal. Then whatever your penalties. This is how you are writing your answer, right? And next you write the state, and the state also composition. There is the difference in composition of district and the state, right? There, district judge, here high court judge. There one person, here two-person, right? There the jurisdiction, what happened? 1 rupee to 20 lakhs, here 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs. Then all the other things, findings are same, procedures are same, appeal are same. Then penalties, only differences. There 2 years here, 3 years. That's the only difference. Then next you will have to go after the appeal here. That is the national forum, right? So national forum is also nothing but the, right? So their first difference is there, that is being established by the state. Then I said here by the central. Now here who it is? It is the national commission that is being appointed. They are formed by notification. They established the national commission under the notification issued by the national commission. So composition here, a person who has been a judge in the Supreme Court, right? That is so they consult with the Chief Justice of India. So what is the difference between Chief Justice and the Judge of Supreme Court? Who is the Chief Justice?
Chief Justice is a person who is serving in the Supreme Court, ma'am.
So why do we say the Judge of Supreme Court then?
Ma'am, High Court is it is not the highest court on the land, but Supreme Court is the highest court on the land. Beyond that, you cannot go.
So that is why you say Chief Justice. Eh?
Chief Justice are someone who are on the bench of, both on the High Court and the Supreme Court as well. Probably the committee of the Supreme Court.
It is not like that, okay? So why do we say as a Chief Justice means in a district court you must have witnessed a court. So only one there is a judge appointed who hears from the advocates, both the from the opposition party and the agree. Is it not? So in case of a high court also you see that there is only one judge. Whereas do you happen to watch a Supreme Court case? So there will be there will be bench of judges. 8 judges will be there, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Are you get, for these 8 judges, one is the main one. One more main person will be there. He is called as the Chief Justice. Are you getting it?
Yeah, ma'am. Got it.
Yes,
Ah.
ma'am.
Yes, that is why we call him as a, he should be a judge of Supreme Court and consultation with the Chief Justice. That is, so whatever is the case, the judge will decide. But if the case is gone to the court, Supreme Court here, it has got a bench of judges. It consists of 8 judges, and you will have one head, one main judge. So he is called as the Chief Justice of India. Right? So clear with this now? Then you have 4 other members. Again, one member there, 2 member here. Here, 4 members you will have. So he should be a person of ability, again, integrity, knowledge in all the laws, right? So only after consultation of all these members, they appoint him as the judge of the National Commission. Clear? So that is then the next difference is depending on the jurisdiction, it should exceed more than 50 lakhs to unlimited. Then again, the procedure, complaint, laboratory, receipt, findings, right? Then appeal is now. How where can you go to the appeal now here? Hmm?
From
Where
where,
can
ma'am?
you
From the Central Court?
from the National Commission?
From the National Commission, we can directly go to the Sorry,
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Yes. Because Supreme Court is the highest court of appeal. This is also a quasi-judicial body, is it not? When things fail here in the National Commission, then you can go and appeal to the Supreme Court, which is the highest court of appeal. Within again the same thing, 30 days period of time. Again the same thing, the findings, order, penalty, everything is same here. Right? So only whatever is the differences I have told you here. Right? So is it clear? So whom to file a complaint,
Yeah, ma'am.
right? So this is a confirmed question, very important one. So everybody try to read this one. So now I told you here for 2 marks, they will ask you what is UTP, right? So as per the law here, it says that according to section 36 of the Consumer Protection Act here says that consumer UTP is being grouped into 5 categories. The first one is misleading advertisement and false representation. So you know that what is false representing of any goods, their quality, quantity, grade, their services, right? So sometimes what they do is they rebuild and they sell the second hand goods stating that it is a fresh one or it is a new goods, right? Then they have got, right? So all this misleading advertisement, everything is come under the misleading advertisement and false representation, then giving the false warranty and guarantee for the performance of the life of the product, right? So all this, then the second one here is sale offer of bargain price. So this includes advertising for supplying at a bargain price. So what do you mean by bargain price? Hmm?
We'll ask them for a discount, ma'am,
Mm.
to give some discount.
Mm. So you can say the reasonable price, is it not? So
Negotiable
whatever is
prices.
the,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, whatever is the quantity that a product has got, so we try to ask it for the depending upon the quality of the product. So that is called as bargaining power. So the consumers are very weak at bargaining power, is it not? So sometimes what do we say when the quality is very good, also we try to bargain. Sometimes what happen when you are attracted, you want to buy it desperately. So even the quality is very poor because of your likingness towards the product. What do? You don't try to bargain more because scared that he may not give you, right? So this is how they are misleading. Is it not low quality product with good attraction and good advertisement? They try to sell the product, right? So that is here sale offer of bargain price. So the consumers are not good at bargaining prices. And next, you have various schemes like offering gifts or prizes. So, is it getting time? Only 5 more minutes. That's all. I will finish it off. Okay. So, then you have different kinds of scheme buy one, take two free. Is it not? And if you buy, right? If you buy it, you will have a discount of 10,000 rupees. If you purchase for more than 10,000, you will get 20% discount. So all these schemes are there. So what do we say?
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.
Hello? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
To
Now
the
I can.
Because of the time up, I think, Mike. Okay, only 2, 3 minutes more. Okay, I'll finish off with the class. Then, have you heard of an ISI mark?
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Branded.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what it
Brand
is?
mark.
What is a brand mark that? What does this
Like,
mark states you? Why do you go for an ISI mark product?
It is a
That is a
mark.
mark. Ah,
It is
yes,
a standardized mark by all
yes.
the, it is up to the standard as per the Indian Consumers Act, I believe, ma'am.
Yeah.
So it,
Indian Standard Act, there is an authority who has got a right to pass. So once your product is undergoing this, satisfying the quality what has been laid by the competent authority, if the product is satisfying that competency, then they give an ISI mark. That means it has underwent all the examination and is being qualified for promoting this product into the market. Right? So you that mark is there. What do you do? Without a second thought, you go and buy. Why? Because it is being passed the examination, whatever is being laid down, right? So what they do is here, they pass under the act. So still you can see the false logo with the different, you don't know how to see which is original ISI mark and a duplicate one, is it not? So here what do they do is, when they don't comply the standard that is being prescribed by the competent authority, what they do it, they design in some way, they do something, so many things in order to attract and sell the product. And the next, hoarding. Or hoarding is also an unfair trade practice. Why do you hoard? In order to create a temporary, this one, is it not demand for the product in the market, right? So all these five things are considered as an unfair trade practice. What are those? Misleading advertisement and false representation. Second one, sale offer of a bargain price. The third one, scheme offering, that is a gift or the prices, and the fourth one is non-compliance of prescribed standards, and the last one is hoarding destruction, right? So these are all things come under the unfair trade practices. So is it clear with the consumer protection? Yes. So
yes, ma'am.
next class we will do with the patent act, right? Or we'll finish off with the environmental protection act, then we'll go on for the patent act. Okay, okay, then I'm sorry it is late. Carry on with the next class, 10 minutes late. Okay, okay then.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.